Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today we're going to talk about how to replace the element in a glass top range. For this I'll be using a drill with a Phillips head bit in it. It's a good idea to have a wide range of bits on you because you don't know exactly what's going to be in the stove. On a glass top stove you have two screws holding the top down. You want to go ahead and remove those screws. I'm going to make sure you're very careful with this part because it is glass and very fragile. Here are our elements and the wiring held in by one screw on each side. You want to make sure that those are removed very carefully. Now that we have our screws off, you want to gently remove the coils. I like to take a picture of all the wiring so that way when you go to put it back, you know exactly where everything goes. A lot of times, you have to actually order these coils through the manufacturer. So you want to make sure you get your model and serial number down to order the part. And a lot of times you can find the part number on the coil itself. Now that we have our wires removed, these are held in by two clamps. You want to go ahead and remove those. On this one we have our model number located right on back of the coil. That allows us to know what part we're exactly ordering when the manufacturer asks for it. Once you have your new coil, you want to go ahead and put it into place and hook your wires up referencing your picture. After that's done, gently put it back into place and fasten your screws in. Be sure not to over tighten them so that way you don't end up breaking the glass top. Put the glass top back into place just underneath. That's all there is to it. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to replace a heater coil in a glass top stove.